Hi guys, have you seen those super satisfying epoxy flooring videos getting millions of views all over social media? A lot of people are wondering how these mesmerizing videos are actually made. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily create these viral epoxy flooring videos using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Prepare the prompt. First, you'll need the prompt. I've already placed the prompt template in the description below, so all you need to do is change the room type here. For example, I'll use an ocean view room as the example. Once you've customized the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. ChatGPT will automatically generate 4 text-to-image prompts and 4 image-to-video prompts for you. Step 2. Generate the images. For this step, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Open Edimakor and click New Project. Then go to AI Image Generator, Text to Image. Here, you'll see multiple AI image generation models available. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana 2 model. After that, paste the first image prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box. Set the resolution and aspect ratio to 9:16, then click Generate. Step 3. Generate the videos and combine. Go to AI Video, AI Transition. For the AI model, I'll choose Kling. Next, import the first and second images generated by Edimakor as the starting and ending frames. Then paste the first image-to-video prompt generated by ChatGPT into the prompt box. Adjust the duration and resolution, then click Generate. After a short wait, your first epoxy flooring video will be created automatically. To create the second and third videos, simply repeat the same process using the remaining images and prompts. Once all the clips are generated, drag the 3 videos onto the timeline in Edimakor and combine them into a single video sequence. Finally, click Export to save your finished epoxy flooring video. If you publish the epoxy flooring restoration video to social media and include the related hashtags, you can even earn bonus credits from Edimakor. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.